Hi, so it is Dez with DI Real Estate and Staging, and I am back at my upcoming listing and my staging project, 609 Seldon Drive, to do another walkthrough Wednesdays. Okay, and I am so excited to see what it looks like, you guys, because I haven't been here in 2 weeks, so there'll be some progress going on here. And my contractor wanted to have some questions answered. So I'm going to do a quick video conference with my client, walk through the property, and gonna show you guys what has been done, what progress has been made. Now, don't forget, we are going to be doing the game called Who Guessed It, right? You're gonna have to guess what is going in the laundry area. So, and I'm not talking about the regular sink, washer and dryer. I'm not talking about anything like that. It's something cute that's going in there. And I will have the contest rules at the end of this video, so you'll know how to enter to win. But I'm going to be giving away a $50 gift card. Okay, if you can guess the right answer, I'm going to enter you into a drawing, and then if you get picked, you are the winner. Okay, and also for all you realtors that may be watching, I am going to do a big reveal. Now, depending on how things go with COVID, and when they're going to let us come back outside, then I'll probably have my regular big reveal that I usually do with our Global Real Estate Professionals group to preview the property just before it hits the market the following day. And so stay tuned for that. It's just going to depend on whether or not we could be social, or if we still have to keep our distance. But if we have to keep our distance, I will just do the big reveal virtually. All right. Okay, so going to take a look at the outside, see what the updates are on the outside, and we're going to go inside and see whatever updates have been made in the past couple of weeks. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so here we are. It is coming along. So we have the cedar up. Looks like they stained it. And I don't think I care for the orange door. So I'll have to see if my client will let me pick out a color for that. And although he wanted orange, I don't think he would like it either. So we'll see. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the orange door? Yay, nay? Okay, let's see. I don't think anything else has been done to the back, so all right, let me take you guys for a quick walk around and just, let's see. This yard needs to be done, which that'll be last. Everything pretty much looks the same out here. Okay, and I think the only thing left to do outside is actually we got to get the railings up for the porch area. We have, okay. All right. So we have the floors are done. And the kitchen cabinets are in. Awesome. Pretty cool. I think we're still missing some cabinets though. So we gotta finish that. And then trying to be strategic so you guys can't really see too much of the laundry area because you guys have to guess what's going in there. Okay? So it's looking good. Got the doors in. That's a new update. Doors are in. Shelving is in. That was a good idea to put them like that, so you're not just having one shelving going across. You can actually have two areas to hang. Ooh, shiplap is in. That looks pretty cool. This is a guest bathroom. So we're waiting on the cabinet for here and the sink. This is looking nice. What do you guys think? And do you think we should keep this, the shiplap, this color, or should we paint it a different color? Let us know. You can take this journey with us and help us make some choices. This is the second bedroom, and closet shelving is done in here as well. The doors are in. Okay, loving it. Got some progress going. I say we're about 2 weeks out, as long as we can get these shelves in. And that is where the refrigerator is going. Okay. And we have just a little hallway, and then we are in the master bedroom. So we got the new doors in here as well. Doors are done. Let's take a look at how they did the closet. Not exactly how my client wanted it, so he'll probably have to make some changes to that. But it's coming along. And then of course, the bathroom. And we just need the toilet, sinks, and the cabinets for in here. All right, so yeah, I say we're about 2 to 3 weeks out. So this might be my last walkthrough Wednesdays. Okay, because I have to leave just a little bit for the big reveal. We are still debating whether or not to add furniture in here, but more than likely we probably will. The house is vacant, it's not occupied. So we probably will just go ahead and stage it so that when someone sees it online, at least it'll look really nice. People can see how to position their furniture here, and then they can just make an offer and then see it once we're under contract based off of our guidelines here because of COVID. All right, so update number 3, guys. Don't forget to play Who Guessed It so you can enter to win that $50 gift card. Okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.